filming's being done today, lads. But mainly checking about a lot and doing moped stuff. And then tomorrow, me and Frank go on a 4-hour trek or hike.
Somewhere up there.
Similar to where we are right now. But today is mainly going to be photos and things like this, yes? Okay. And we've been chasing waterfalls all day. So we are now in Sapa. Is there a name for our town, or is it literally just Sapa?
Sapa.
It's just Sapa. Did you Google how high up we are? Huh?
Yeah, I never did.
Nah.
I will get it on Google.
Once I find out, yeah, I'll whack it on the screen because we're like super high up in the mountains. And it's pretty cool.
You're on the exit.
Are we?
Are we? We've come the wrong way.
Oh, we can just...
Okay, cool.
So, Sapa is pretty much at the top of Vietnam, if you're wondering. It's pretty much where all the rice fields are, like, you know, the typical photos that you see of them all. It's a very, very picturesque place. It is pretty stunning in person. Pictures don't quite do it justice. Frank just jumped in the air. No way you're moving that, mate. Is that heavy? So heavy.
Completely heavy.
Right, just jumped in a fresh, I'm guessing it's a freshwater, yeah, it's a freshwater stream, waterfall thing. One thing about being so high up here is it really messes you up when you breathe in, because the altitude. Is this 3? This is day 3 or day 4? What is this for me? I don't know. It's still sick being here. Now. Oh my god, nearly rolled my ankle. So that waterfall is called Love Waterfall. If you're in Vietnam, oh my god, if you're in Vietnam, traveling around Vietnam, you're in Sapa, I would definitely recommend going and seeing that. Come all the way to the back because you don't think it's here, but it is, and it is phenomenal. It's really good. So like I said earlier, this video is actually mainly going to be about photography and photos that I've taken, not necessarily like Instagram bangers, but lifestyle kind of traveling ones that we're doing as you go. I don't really want to have to film loads while I'm away. I want to embrace the moments and enjoy as we go along, and taking photos is normally a great way to do that rather than have to pick up the camera and talk to it every time. Yeah, in between everything, it's just going to be a bunch of photos. Trekking up Mount Fansipan this morning, and we are not even nearly there yet, and it looks incredible. It's wild. So cool. I don't know if you guys, yeah, you guys can see that. I've been walking for about half hour, 20 minutes. Huh?
About that.
Yeah, about that. Come to this. A long way to go, but that's pretty stunning. Sunrise is coming, and I can't wait. This is genuinely one of the most incredible things I've ever seen. And we're not even at the top yet, so that says, like, speaks volumes. This is phenomenal. Hopefully we get this incredible sunrise. I'm not going to film too much talking today, or this morning anyway. I just want to get on with this walk and enjoy it as we're going along. So good. What are your thoughts so far, Tank? Pretty mad, eh?
Yeah.
Huh?
A nice walk there.
Yeah. Look at, like, I love the way that the clouds are like breaking over the trees.
Yeah.
So it's like eerie, but looks amazing. That is literally like, that's pretty much just up, right?
Yeah.
Rough. A lot of these photos will be on my, both of my Instagrams, Gaius Thompson 96, Gaius Mitchell Media. Frank will be featured on them. Frank Baines. What's your Instagram handle? Okay. To be honest, this trek is no joke. It's very, very hard. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I'm struggling. Legs are burning up. And hopefully near the top. But just look at that. Like, it's been worth it. The pain, struggle. 100% worth it. And all the photos, I can't wait to edit. Now, let's reach the top. So far, scaling this thing hasn't been the worst part. The worst part has been the steps. We're so close. So close. Alright, current update on our situation. About 15 minutes till we get to the cable cars. And then my man over here was just saying it's about another half hour to the summit. Now that hurt me in here quite a bit. You lot, you're not going to see from me until we make it to the top, because trying to talk and climb this while we're at this altitude is just ridiculous. It absolutely does you in. So we'll see you at the top. You can have some photos for now while you wait. There is our destination. So about 300 steps to go up. But we'll get there. We did it. The first place is completely wrong. That wasn't where we were making it. This is where we've made it here. This is the summit of Fansipan. I feel pretty pleased with that achievement. Me and Frank, we struggled, but we did it. Now we're gonna get the cable cut back because we can't walk that again. Oh my god.
Hold on to your hat, but
Put your hat backwards, it won't fall off. Oh, now that. Worth it. Right, I'm gonna snap some photos of this incredible view, and I will see you guys back down when we're at normal altitude.